Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session, let's learn about Xlookup function. So let's get started. Xlookup is a function that searches for a value in a range and returns a value in the same row from a different range. It's more flexible than VLOOKUP because it can search in any direction. And the syntax for that is Xlookup of lookup value, lookup array, return array, if not found, match mode, search mode. Here, lookup value is the value you are searching for. Lookup array is the range where you are searching for lookup value. Return array is the range containing the values to return. If not found is the value returned. If lookup value is not found, defaults to an error, that is NA, and it's optional. And match mode is also optional and it specifies the type of match, defaults to exact match 0. Other options include approximate match, which may be ascending or descending order required in lookup array. Then search mode specifies the search directions, defaults to searching from the beginning, that is 1, and -1 searches from the end. For example, let's say you have a table containing columns product and price with respective values. Now let's say you want to find the price of a banana. Let's perform Xlookup here. To do that, let's type is equals to Xlookup of banana, which is your lookup value. Then A1 is to A3. This is your lookup array, and B1 is to B3. This is your return array. And now enter. The result will be $0.50, which is the price of banana. Here I'm just considering simple data sets just to make you guys understand, but please learn by experimenting on large data sets for better understanding. So this is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.